Okay, so it is currently like November 11th. I'm not sure if that's the correct date. I am going to take my temp test once again. I took my temp test back in like 2019. I passed it my first time and I just let it expire. I never went to take my driver's test, and now you need your temps to take your driver's test. So now I'm going to take my temp test so I can get my license eventually and start driving. Not nervous, but I kind of am, because it's like, oh my god, gotta take a test. I hate taking tests, but hopefully I have that that beginner's first time luck again. Wish me luck. I've been doing my little testing online. Oh, and there go my dad, because he's taking me. I'm so nervous, but wish me luck. Oh my god, I forgot to record, but oh shoot, I'm holding pizza. It's the next day, and guess what? Trying to get out my pocket. I lost it already, and I got my temps. I am so happy. Got my temps. Now I'm just gonna have to wait till I get my, well, I can drive now, but when I get my little ID in the mail, my temp ID, that's gonna like really is gonna hit me like, okay. And that's in 2 weeks. So now I just really gotta get it together and start driving. My mom just asked me, do I want to drive home? Then when I went on Facebook, I seen someone got in an accident. So I'm just like, you know what, not right now. I was so kind of defeated yesterday when I missed it, because I had like 9 questions left, and I already had missed like 10, so it was kind of like close. It was like 9 questions I had to get correct, and I ended up missing one, of course, and then it was over. I'm glad that you're able to just go right back and take it, so that's why I went back the next day and I passed. I'm so proud. So now I got a whole year, but I'm not trying to take that whole year, even though it's winter time and that sucks. But if I really kind of try to focus before the winter hit and just start driving, I might can take my driver's test before we get heavy snow. So hopefully I can maybe close out this year getting my license, but if not, I got time. But I don't want to just get in my head and not take my test right away. So it was $23, because last time I remember, when the first time I got my temps, it was like $13. So they definitely went up. Oh, I'm about to just be practicing. I'm just gonna make this a whole little thing. It's November 13th, so I'm gonna make this like a whole little basically thing till I get my license, probably. So we'll see. November 13th, 2021. So yep.
Okay, so right now I've been practicing driving for a little bit, not that much. So anyway, I'm about to go up and practice my maneuverability. So I have to catch my dad. He's going to help me. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay. Ugh. This is small, tiny car, which is perfect. I take my driver's test Friday. Well, today is Sunday, so I take it next Friday. So
we get on the way back.
do you start the car first, or you buckle your seatbelt?
Always buckle your seatbelt.
All right. Reverse.
God, boy, I feel sorry for them. This is talking of women that be liking your uncle.
Oh, she not bad.
No, that's a grandma. Come on.
Let's see. They're practicing up there. So basically, yeah, because they got to go through the left side, right side, and all the way back. So maybe that's how it's set up. So, because maybe I already know how to maneuver in and maneuver out. And like in the middle. Can't really see me.
As you drive around in a circle, make a big circle, come back, and I want you to stop with your front bumper even with both cones. And then you're gonna do 3 times when I'm in the car. Twice with me in the car, and 3 times without. We done 5 times. We see if you can do it 5 times. Make sure you line your bumper up even with bump, and it's straight in the middle of both of them. Make sure you center the wheel.
Is that
I'm the instructor. You ain't gonna ask him. You supposed to do it yourself. And once he see you do that, he gonna already know you ain't that good.
Oh my God.
Cause you supposed to do it and stop. Go around and do it again.
Oh, go around? So
do
we
it
doing
again.
that? Okay.
And come up and be confident. Come back, round up, and come up even.
Oh, shoot.
You ain't even trying to blog nothing until you get it white. You do that when you got it white. It's your first time.
Okay, so I'm having struggles with this. He's about to show me how to do it. I don't know the distance between how you're supposed to have the cones. Okay, to the right. Dad, you looking like me. Okay, I was not understanding the instructions well. Let's see. Uh-oh, Dad. That's close. Ah, you hit the cone. The cone. You failed. Okay, looking good.
Okay, y'all, so it is December. Oh, I don't even know. It's like the 12th, 13th. My driver's license test is this Friday on the 17th. Tuesday will be the 14th, and today is Monday, so today's the 13th. It's December 13th. I'm currently waiting on my dad since he is like my driver instructor trainer. We're going to do the maneuverability again in the parking lot. I went there yesterday on Sunday, had my Santa hat on. You probably already seen, of course, I recorded that a little. I didn't really get a good footage because I was trying to focus on more, and I didn't have nothing to prop it up or anything. I'm back with the Santa hat for my little good luck charm. I don't want to do my hair. Waiting for him because I'm about to do it again one last time. Yeah, because other than that, I don't think I can do it like during the week. It's gonna be hard. Yesterday, he gave me a C. Like with the cutting, it's like I can get through it, but backing out and trying to cut back, it was kind of hard for me. But on the back camera, it wasn't. But I don't know on the driver's test that I'm gonna be allowed to use the back camera, so I got to get it down looking at my mirror. So we're gonna do it one more time today. And basically that would be it probably till Friday when I take my test. I'm really nervous. I'm very overwhelmed. You know, all you can do is have hope, so we'll see.
So end up clicking the clone, so all we can do is hope.
You probably can see me, it's a bad angle because I'm getting ready. I'm about to fill in my brows. That's basically it. What I gotta do, I'm getting ready. My driver's test is at 1:45. It's like going on 12:30 or a little after 12:30. So I'm about to get ready to go. I am kind of, I would say, like a little nervous, but not like that. This eyebrow's so big, so maybe I am nervous. I don't know. It's just I'm scared of just failing. I don't want to fail, but it's okay because I can always take it again. But of course you feel kind of defeated when you don't pass. So I'm kind of nervous about that. And I didn't get I can't do the maneuverability before I go because I forgot school is in section. And where I go to practice, they have like the circles already on the ground because I believe they had like a driving school there. The kids park in that parking lot, so it's blocks, and school is in session. School don't get out till like 3:25 because that's what makes me kind of like, dang, I needed a little tune-up. My eyebrows got big. I don't know how they came out like this, but it don't matter. I can't think right now. Can't think. So this is how I am. 2-piece jogging suit. And yeah, so I'm about to get ready to go.
So there was say no practice.
Yeah, I ain't practicing.
Dad, if you hit that cone, just look in the camera. You already close to it. Go ahead, make that trip.
Oh shit.
Yeah, go ahead, just make the trip.
Yeah, I hit it.
Oh, that is bad. Oh, bro.
Oh, watch. Somebody gonna drive up here and be like, wait a minute, that's not shit.
You mess someone up for their next drive.
We about to go in.
Fast forward, guess what? So this is it. This is the end of my journey. I'm so happy now. I can stop being, I was not feeling good. Lala, do you see me do the cones? Did I do good or bad?
Good.
Cause guess what? I got my license. Now I can drive. I'm a driver now. I'm done being SpongeBob. Not done being SpongeBob, but I thought I was gonna be like SpongeBob. I thought I had to keep retaking my test. So if anybody that got to take their driver's test. No, it's okay to be nervous. I was so nervous. Honestly, I didn't think I was gonna pass. I didn't want to say it out loud, but I did a maneuverability, which was the most thing. I could not get that down, but I got it down because I passed. Make sure you go get your license. Don't be a SpongeBob. Now I can say I got my license. I'm a licensed driver. I got it up for 8 years, so that was like $50. It's good for 8 years. So it's good till I'm about to be 30. So I don't gotta worry about it. I watched a whole bunch of videos and all. The pizza not done. Literally first time driving by myself with La. We're off to the Dollar Tree just down the street. Especially come to the conclusion of everything. I'm about to pull it out. Or I'm gonna put the phone down so I can drive.